So in this video we'll show how you can add a confirmation dialog that appears before the user submits the dialog to the server. So you can see we have a simple dialog component over here. I'm going to go ahead and make it dirty and then click the submit button. And when I click this button, the dialog gets submitted. The user is not asked beforehand to confirm that they really do want to go ahead and submit. On the other hand, when I click this button over here, I get a pop-up dialog asking me for confirmation, and if I say cancel, then nothing happens, but if I say yes, then the dialog was submitted. So we'll take a look at how this was done. So let's go back to the dialog, and you can see here that the dialog has these two submit buttons. This first submit button, which didn't ask for confirmation, was created by just simply selecting from the defined control section this submit reset button, which added a submit button and a reset button. And if you examine the button after it's been placed on the dialog, you can see that the OnClick action is just simply calling the built-in method of the dialog object called submit. So it submits it without first prompting for confirmation. On the other hand, when I click this button over here, we're going to basically invoke some action JavaScript, and the action JavaScript has been defined to display a message box. So we're going to take a look now at how to actually set that up. First, what we're going to do is put a new button on and use the built-in confirm function that JavaScript offers. So this is not an Alpha 5 function, it's a built-in function that all browsers understand. It's the JavaScript confirm method. So we'll go now and let's go to this button over here, and we'll edit it, and let's switch to action JavaScript. So we'll delete what's there, and we'll add a new action called message box, and we'll use the built-in JavaScript method called confirm. So if we go there and say OK, cancel, and then we'll change our message box text to are you sure you want to submit? And then I'm going to go ahead here and click OK and go to working preview, click the button, and you can see this is the standard built-in JavaScript confirm method. So I can either click OK or cancel. So let's go back now and convert now to text mode so we can see the actual JavaScript that got generated. So you can see this is the built-in JavaScript command called confirm, and I'm going to say if message result, and that means if message result is true, because the confirm function returns either a true or a false, then what I want to do is go ahead and submit. So I'll go there and choose submit and then double click. So I'll just put in a space, and I'll get rid of any of the optional arguments that the submit function has, and then go ahead now and go to working preview. So if I click this button, I can hit cancel and the submit doesn't happen, or I can click OK and the submit does happen. So this is all very easy, but the big problem here is that this dialog, the standard built-in JavaScript dialog, is not very attractive and is not using any of the styling that the rest of the component uses, whereas this button over here creates a much more attractive looking dialog. So let's pause now and pick it up in the next video and see how we did this.